Here's the noise a 2013 Mini Cooper was making with the fan.
Okay, it's just under here then.
So the part I'm showing here is right underneath the glove box. The clips are in the front of the glove box, pointed towards the seat. And I just used a key here. It's the only tool I used to help me pry out the plastic clips.
So you gotta pull off from the front. Otherwise you will be breaking it. And then you just have to pull this thing down and out. Oh, there's a lot of nasty stuff in this. Oh, did you see that? Just fell out of there. Get that out of there. Let's see what you can see up in there. Oh, they said up in there. So the hole in here. The fan is supposed to be up in there.
You see this fan had a bunch of tissue in it, which was making the noise. The fan's always going to be towards the center of the car, so look for the hole.
Bottom part.
Just if you have a cell phone, turn on the flash light and start recording and stick it up in there, and you can see exactly what's up in there causing your problem.
Fan's back to normal, no more whirring. Sure there's nothing that's gonna get sucked back up in there again. Looks like this one's kind of squished. This car could use a new filter. And then bam, just shove this thing back up in there. Voila! There's all the junk that was in there.